As the oldest independent Catholic all-girls high school in Western New York, Nardin Academy educates young women to go and do amazing things for the world. We provide our students with the highest standards in academics, arts, and athletics, and uphold a deep commitment to service in the tradition of the Daughters of the Heart of Mary, who founded our school in 1857. With Nardin as your compass, you will begin an enriching and exciting journey, a journey that will foster a love of learning and friendships to last a lifetime. Hello, my name is Marcia Joy Sullivan, President of Nardin Academy, and I'm honored to welcome you virtually to the halls of Nardin Academy. When you join us, you join generations of women who have gone on to make significant contributions to our schools, to our communities, and to our world. At Nardin, our mission is to inspire hearts and minds to do amazing things for the world through faith, character, academic excellence, and service. And so now, I invite you to our virtual open house.
Within these halls, amazing things are happening every day. Here, you will gain an exceptional academic foundation which will prepare you for college and beyond. With safety first in mind, life at school is different this year, and we welcome you to our virtual open house. I'm Colleen Robertson, principal of Nardin Academy High School. For us, the safety and well-being of our students, faculty, staff, and families is paramount as we navigate this dynamic environment. While we will miss seeing you in person for this year's open house, we are excited to provide this welcoming video as we continue to develop the safest learning environment possible.
Here, each student is respected as a unique individual whose skills and talents are encouraged in ways that will lift you to reach your highest potential.
With our small class sizes and dedicated faculty and staff, you will receive incredible support both in and out of the classroom.
Our student-to-faculty ratio is 10-1.
Our state-of-the-art classrooms are equipped with smartboards and flexible seating. You will receive your own Chromebook on day one, and we use a universal software. That means you can learn from anywhere.
You can immerse yourself in the pages of great works of literature in English classes.
Explore through multicultural lenses in history class.
Experiment in our updated science labs.
Expand your knowledge in math class.
Challenge yourself in robotics and computer science.
Develop your spirituality in religion class.
And discover exciting new places through world language.
After outperforming state exams, Nardin Academy stepped away from the New York State Regents curriculum. As an independent school, now we have the freedom to use a variety of teaching methods, project-based learning, and assessment tools.
Our cascading block scheduling allows for longer class times, enabling you to investigate subjects more deeply, work with faculty during office hours, and collaborate with your classmates.
Hi, I'm Jane Mathias, and I am the Director of Guidance at Nardin Academy. We are proud that 100% of our graduates receive an acceptance to a four-year college and earn, on average, $30 million a year in scholarships and grants. Our students consistently outscore both New York State and national averages on AP, SAT, and ACT exams. Our school offered 14 AP courses and exams last year.
But Nardin is not just about academics.
Nardin Academy provides numerous opportunities for you to pursue your artistic interests.
Learn to play an instrument.
Develop photographs in the darkroom.
Create an art portfolio.
We have a professional art studio inside Nardin's Fata Center for the Arts. This two-story wing of our building includes this studio, a darkroom, and rehearsal space. You can take multiple fine, performance, and visual arts classes and participate in clubs and activities where you will learn, experience, and grow.
Nardin offers 18 art and music classes, including photography, interior design, and introduction to acting.
We take music lessons during the school day. Our musicians play 17 instruments in our band, orchestra, and jazz ensemble, and we have 2 choirs for our vocalists to perform.
You can create in the 3,000 square foot studio space, complete with throwing wheels and kilns.
And study dance, with plenty of room to express ourselves.
And take the stage in drama and musical theater each year.
We are proud that many of our students are recognized by esteemed organizations like the Kenny Awards and the New York State School Music Association.
And our students' successes continue.
On the field. On the water. And on the court.
The Nardin Academy Athletics program produces well-rounded student athletes who are known for their sportsmanship, teamwork, and competitive spirit. 22 teams play 14 sports at the junior varsity and varsity levels, and we are proud that many of our student athletes continue to compete in college. In the last 5 years, 42 student athletes signed national letters of intent. Hi, I'm Joe Baudo, Director of Athletics at Nardin Academy, home of the Gators. Whether you participate in one of our physical education classes, our wellness programming, or compete on one of our many championship teams, Nardin Athletics develops character and will cultivate your individual talents.
In September, our brand new state-of-the-art gymnasium and wellness center opened.
This 20,000 square foot facility is where you will take your phys ed classes and has a regulation-sized gymnasium.
It serves as home court for Nardin's JV and varsity basketball and volleyball teams.
Downstairs is our wellness center,
with workout equipment for cardio and strength training.
And space for mindfulness activities like yoga and meditation.
Less than 2 miles north of the main campus, the Nardin Academy Athletic Center houses 7 international squash courts and an indoor turf practice field for soccer and lacrosse practice.
The brand new Nardin Community Athletic Complex has 2 outdoor multi-sport turf fields and a softball diamond, and is home to our soccer, lacrosse, and softball teams.
More than 160 years ago, Miss Ernestine Nardin of the Daughters of the Heart of Mary established Nardin Academy as the first Catholic all-girls school in the area.
In the tradition of the Daughters, she instilled values of equality and justice, and fostered a sense of community and service, which we continue to honor today. Hi, I'm Tom Whalen, Director of Campus Ministry here at Nardin Academy. While teaching in the Catholic faith and tradition, 17 different faiths are represented in Nardin's high school student body. True to the legacy of our founders, Nardin is an inclusive and welcoming community committed to faith, equity, and social justice.
As an independent Catholic school, service is at the core of life at Nardin.
Our students complete at least 80 volunteer hours at local service organizations by graduation.
You will attend a retreat each year, and we provide opportunities to participate in domestic and international service trips.
Hi, I'm Kendra Brim, and I'm the new Director of Diversity, Inclusion, and Opportunity here at Nardin. I work every day to foster a school environment that is welcoming and inclusive for all, regardless of race, ethnicity, or creed. Diversity, equity, and inclusion are a priority for all of us at Nardin.
Sustainability is also an important part of life at Nardin. Hi, I'm Chef Julie Levin. Our nationally recognized dining hall program features scratch-cooked meals using ingredients sourced from more than 20 local vendors. And our waste management program diverted more than 16,000 pounds of waste last year.
At Nardin, community and fun go hand in hand.
When you enter as a freshman, you join one of our 9 houses, an immediate home away from home, providing support, camaraderie, and friendship. The house system is a source of fun and school spirit as you compete for points throughout the year in hopes of winning the coveted Nardin Cup.
Hi, I'm Kristen Mansour, the freshman guidance counselor here at Nardin Academy. There are so many fun and exciting parts of school life here at Nardin that will help to make your transition to high school easier. I work with every freshman to help guide you through your first year. And our upperclassmen have their own guidance counselors to help them at each educational milestone. You will join an advisory led by a faculty member that meets every week and provides academic, social, and personal support. Nardin also has a full-time psychologist ready to speak with anyone at any time.
Another way we expand the Nardin experience is through our signature winter mission program. In January, you can participate in a week full of immersive learning. You can gain real-life experience through the numerous academic intensives, internships, travel, and service opportunities we offer.
The opportunities at Nardin Academy are endless, whether in the classroom, on the stage, on the athletic field, or in acts of service. I'm Danielle Dodman, the Director of Admissions. As you begin your high school admissions process, please know I'm here to help you every step of the way.
Our graduates are creative, curious learners who lead with confidence, strength, and integrity. They grow through faith and spirituality. They champion equality and justice and serve others with humility. This virtual open house is our way of bringing a snapshot of Nardin Academy to your home.
From the class of 2021,
2022,
2023,
welcome from the class of 2024.
welcome to Nardin Academy.
At Nardin, we are committed to providing our students with the intellectual and spiritual compass to prepare you to navigate life at Nardin and beyond, with the confidence to go on and do amazing things.